Hello and welcome to the video. Now I have a new bonus happening on the 6th of May at 11 AM Eastern Standard for an amazing product called QuickVSL. Now QuickVSL is a quick way to make video sales letters. Quick doesn't mean like just not many features, because this system is a super powered system, has AI in there, everything you need to make studio quality video sales letters. Now I'll give you a full review on the 6th of May, but there's a webinar happening, and that's happening at 10 AM Eastern Standard on the 6th of May. So you can get your place on the webinar by just clicking one of these buttons that says get your place on the webinar. Now on there we'll show you everything about how good QuickVSL is, and if you purchase on the webinar you can claim my bonus as well. Now my bonus is for the front end. There's no bundle bonuses or anything like that. This bonus super empowers everything that you can do with QuickVSL. Now it gives you a quick start over everyone else who purchases QuickVSL. Now let me show you some of the bonuses. We've got the AI powered playbook. Now this is all about how to create the best VSLs, and it comes with PLR. So it's brand new. You get the full ebook, you get the formatted lead page, social marketing pack, huge image promo pack, and there's brand new types of images in there. And we've also done 2 TikTok videos, completely formatted, ready to go. You can load into your TikTok account and start promoting this. Then we've got the AI-powered VSL playbook. So that's an upgrade to the front end. So you've got this that you can collect the leads with, or you can sell it, give it away, whatever. But with this one, you can kind of charge for it if you want. Again, it's a 10-part video course. Comes with full PLR. So again, with that, you get the 10-part course, you get the sales page, social media pack, image pack, and 2 done-for-you TikTok videos as well. Again, that's brand new. Then we've got the VSL AI Lab. Now, this is an app that will create the prompts for QuickVSL. So it kind of takes your product and rewrites the most amazing prompts that you can just copy and use. Now, I'm going to include 100,000 credits with that. So you can test it out, but the great thing about that, we're also giving you the AI Lab Reseller Suite. So if you want to take that app and you can resell it as your own, you can rebrand it, got full white label rights and source code as well. So you've got full source code, you get the formatted sales page, you've got the marketing pack and the promo pack as well. And we've got Pitch Pro AI. Now what this does, it takes your ideas and turns them into VSLs. So full VSL scripts. So you can load your VSL scripts and use them in QuickVSL. Again, this comes with source code, formatted sales page, marketing pack, image promo pack, and 2 done-for-you TikTok videos as well. Now I've also got Rank Pro AI. Again, this is an app that you can use with QuickVSL. So what this does, it gives you everything you need to be able to rank your videos that you're creating with QuickVSL. But the great thing about this, it comes with full white label, it comes with source code, and it comes with everything you need to resell it as your own. So you've got the source code, you've got the sales page, social media pack, huge image promo, 2 done-for-you TikTok videos as well. And remember, everything that I'm showing you is for the front end, so no bundle purchases needed, no upgrade purchases needed if you don't want to purchase anything in the funnel. We've also got membership funnels, we've got application funnel, and we've got affiliate funnel as well. And I'm going to have a ton more bonuses added for the 6th of May. So it's going to be a huge, huge bonus pack. So make sure that you get your place on the webinar. Remember, you can lock in all my bonuses, and that includes 3 apps with white label source code rights. You've got 2 brand new PLR packs there as well. 1 a 10-part video course. So this is huge. Okay, so please don't miss this. The front end Super cheap. You don't need to purchase any bundles, any upgrades to grab this amazing bonus. So make sure that you get your place on that webinar. Now, I'll give you a full review on the 6th of May, so make sure that you watch out for that. If you're here for your downloads, just come to the bottom of the page and you'll see down here, we've added 50 downloads for you. Now, these will disappear on the 6th of May, so if you want those, make sure that you claim them. Okay? But get your place on that webinar because it's well worth attending. And, you know, if you lock this in, you can lock in my amazing bonus. So thanks for watching. I'll watch out for the next video.